started with your iHome AutoVac Eclipse. This tutorial applies to all AutoVac Eclipse series models. First, place your charging base on the floor and connect the power adapter to the charging base. Make sure there is 2 feet of space on both sides of the base and 5 feet in front. Remove the protective film and 2 bumper guards. Snap the 2 included side brushes onto the square pegs on the bottom of the robot. Put the AutoVac Eclipse on the ground with the front of the robot on the charging base. Prepare your home for a cleaning. Remove all obstacles in the area. Now you're ready to download the iHome Clean app. To set up the app, make sure your phone is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the iHome Clean app, select Create an Account. Once the account is created, select Add Device. Press and hold the Home button for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator flashes. Continue to follow the on-screen instructions until pairing is completed. To start cleaning, press the Power button on your AutoVac Eclipse or press the Auto Clean button within the iHome Clean app. You can control the suction power by selecting one of 3 suction powers with the app: Eco Mode, Normal Mode, or Hyperdrive. As it cleans, the robot will automatically create a map of your floor plan viewable within the app. Do not lift the robot while it's cleaning. It will interfere with the ability to create a map. If it gets stuck, manually reposition it. The robot will return to base once cleaning is completed or when the battery is running low. To empty your AutoVac Eclipse dustbin, simply remove the dustbin and dispose of the waste. To use the mopping feature, attach the mop pad to the water tank and fill it to the desired amount. To start mopping, simply press the Power button on your AutoVac Eclipse or press the Power Mop button within the iHome Clean app. You can control the water volume by selecting one of 3 options within the app: low, medium, and high. When finished, remove and empty the water tank of remaining liquid. And there you have it. You're ready to start using your iHome AutoVac Eclipse. The iHome AutoVac Eclipse. Live life clean.
This is our new family member, Robit.
It's Robit.
Alexa, turn K to robot.
Start clean.